not a game, it's a rich thing.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Renz, and in today's video I will be doing this knotless braid. As you can see, it is very lightweight and so cute. Remember guys to subscribe, give me thumbs up if you like my first try at knotless braiding my hair. I am a newbie. I did my thing. I really hope you like this video and stay tuned. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so before I begin to braid the hair, I made sure to set up my workstation. Here I got 4 silver side clips, 3 grab clips, my edge brush, my detangling brush, my detangling comb, and 3 rat tail combs that I'll be using to make my parts straight. Also, I will be using the Mielle leave-in conditioner to make my hair moist and protect it against breakage whenever I decide to remove the braid. Also, I will be using the Mielle scalp and hair strengthening oil along with some castor oil that I received just to keep my roots shining. Also, I'll be using this edge booster to sleek my edges. And finally, I'll be using the Moisturizing BeesWax to seal my hair to the braid. Guys, I'll be using this pack of braid that's called the Glance Formation Natural Touch Braid. It's a 4X value pack. It is a pre-stretched hair and it is 20 inches. Also, I'll be using 3 packs of the Neo 52 Jumbo Braid pre-stretched hair. I went ahead and got my full body mirror and set it behind the bathroom mirror so that I'll be able to do my parts correctly. Guys,
What are those?
yes, I have some love handles. Yes, I do. But that's not why you're here today. You're here to see how a beginner do her own knotless braid. Okay, so stay focused. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled the Glance Formation pack and I'm gonna rest this hair over my water bottle. I'm gonna go ahead now and get the Neo brand and then I'm gonna rest that hair over the soap dispenser. Alright, so after getting all the hairs out of the bag, I go ahead and separate my feeding sections. Now for this step, I always separate 3 pieces, 1 from the Neo pack and 2 from the Glance pack. I also use a BeesWax just to stretch the hair a little bit more and keep it together so that whenever I start to braid, the hair doesn't tangle up. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle my hair for a little and then I start to do my parting. Now guys, this is a part that takes quite some time because you want to make sure that your parting lines are very neat and clean so that your braid doesn't look bad. Even if you don't braid properly, just by how neat you part your hair, then the braid appears beautiful. Alright, next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the BeesWax to the root of my hair and all the way to the end. Then I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 3 parts, and with these 3 parts, well, you guys should know how to plait. You're gonna go ahead and do 3 plaits. So in, out, in. And then you take the braid and you start to feed it on there. Alright, so this part funny. Girl, I say no. I want to help. I don't look here. I want to people tell me stuff to do. And I say if you do Funny. Let me take you home. You're about to take out there, try again. No. No, I didn't want to hear me can't laugh brawling, but God know. The things I did not do it right. Listen to me. Guys, I got frustrated because I was trying this like 4 different times. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do the regular box braid method at the back, and then when I get closer to the top, I'm gonna try the feeding method again. So guys, although this part funny, don't stop watching my video, please. Continue watching. Continue. You are going to see my knotless braid feeding method, and it is very, very easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and box braid the back, and then I'm gonna show you my feeding method at the front. All right? No, girl. No, but when you catch my face, no. Lord Jesus, friend, smile. People on YouTube are watch you. Alright guys, so as I got closer to the top, I decided to try again. So I separated the hair into 3 parts, like so, and then I did 3 plaits. Let's count. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, I have my pointer finger in the middle. Right there, I'm gonna take the braid and I'm gonna put the braid right underneath that pointer finger. I'm adding that left side into the middle and the right side into the end, and then I plait it 3 times. Now I have the pointer finger in the middle again. I place the braid underneath the pointer finger, add part to the middle, part to the end, and plait. Alright, I know my explanation here is not perfect, but if you continue watching, I'm gonna explain it again. Alright, so if you have been paying attention to this video, you should see where parts of my braid, where my hair ends, have a little fluff. And I realized very late because I wasn't paying keen attention to the back. So as I got closer to the front, when I saw this happening, I started to add some more BeesWax to the hair so that my hair can flow nicely into the braid when it is ending. My hair end was very thick, so it was very difficult to achieve this. So now it is time for a break. I am very tired. I have been teaching myself how to do this. The break is overdue, so I'm just gonna get a quick snack. Alright guys, I am back. Now when I am doing the front of my hair, I use the edge booster to lay my edges down neatly, and then I go in and separate my hair into 3 parts. I then plait those 3 parts. After plaiting it 3 times, wherever my finger pop out, whether it is on the right side or the left side, I then feed in the braiding here. So the braiding here that you're feeding in has 2 parts. It has a part that goes into the middle and the part that goes onto the end. Now the part that goes into the middle, that's a part that you're going to attach to the middle part of your hair. And then the part that is onto the end, you attach that to the hair that is on the end. Then you go in and make 3 plaits. When you do that 3 plaits, you're gonna go ahead again and feed in more braid by doing the same thing that I just explained before. If you need to rewind this video just to see how I added in that hair, go ahead and do that right now.
Man a say me sweet, like a me do trick or treat. Me tell him fi take a taste, him say me a rotten teeth. Chew me little, chew me neat. Me no in a nothing cheap. Walk in a brand new Louis V pa me feet. Thing ya me love, them thing ya me love.
Don't worry guys, I know you must be looking at that big one right there and saying, but that don't look good. But have no fear, I went back and I fixed the ones that didn't transition properly. Alright guys, now this is the final look of my hair the day after. It is very lightweight. I can style it however I want comfortably. It's not tight, and right now I'm 2 weeks into my hair and it still looks fresh and nice. I'm gonna insert some pictures of a closer shot of the hair.